That's right. This weekend it dawned on me that picking stocks is becoming easy now because you have the help of AI to analyze the stock. All you got to do is figure which one is properly priced, not overvalued. And so it's not a matter of picking the right company now, it's the matter of picking the right stocks. And then the other thing is you've got it's the same time as I realized that, I realized I needed to sell Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Meta because they've gotten too big. I mean, to get a 20% growth in market cap from one of them is enormous. But if you can find the stock who is going to benefit by changing their business dramatically, becoming much more efficient as a result of AI, then you have the opportunity to get an escalated price in a stock and move it from $10 to $100 as opposed to trying to move Apple or Google or Amazon by tenfold. It won't happen. So you have to change the way you approach stocks. And what drove it home to me was as I asked Samantha, my AI agent that I built, to analyze Zeta, Clavio, SoFi, and REAX, which is Real Brokers. And they all share something in common, and that is they have a consumer base, and the ability to serve that consumer base has just been improved dramatically and created efficiency, which comes to increased revenues and increased margins, which brings increased profits, which brings increased price. And to illustrate it, all of them are good illustrations, and I'd invite you to come to my website, go to my tell sheet, and go to my deep dives, because in the deep dives, Samantha and Bart explain everything. I mean, they get into the nitty gritty numbers of why these stocks are going to escalate in price and could give you, I don't know, 100, 200% return over the next 3 years. But SoFi really hammered it home to me. SoFi is a banking company. It's an online banking company. And my banking company here in Birmingham is Regions Bank. If I need something from them, I know it's going to take me at least 45 minutes because it'll take me 15 minutes until I can get to anybody that I can speak to and explain my situation, my predicament, and how I need it taken care of. And then they'll transfer me to somebody else. So, but at SoFi has basically brought everything down to AI and had bots that respond directly to you. And the cool thing about it, they know who you are, okay? Because SoFi is not just a bank, but it's an investment account, it's a lending place, and it's insurance. Now, for me, the three most difficult places I have to deal with in my life are my bank, my brokerage account, and my insurance company. My insurance company in particular. I think I figured out I spend somewhere in the net close to $10,000 a year on my automobile, my homeowners, my business insurance, and a liability policy. And I have never met the insurance agent. Never met him. He never calls me. When I call his office, his secretary tells me he's not in the office. He doesn't work much anymore. He just collects my $10,000 a year premium. And so SoFi, though, does all of that, your insurance, your lending, your investing, and your banking, and then they penetrate your internet so they know everything about you. So when you call SoFi with a problem, they know it's Kerry. They know it's Kerry in Birmingham, Alabama. They know immediately what accounts you have. They can anticipate your situation, and when they recognize something has happened in Birmingham that will reduce your insurance prices, they can respond to it. And they have 13.7 million customers around the world. So as they introduce AI into their program, they become more efficient. They say that 80% of their transactions occur through AI. Their market cap is not $1 trillion or $3 trillion. It's 21 billion. So the ability to move that market cap up by 20% is potentially can happen just through efficiencies. And through efficiencies, we bring more profits to the bottom line, and our stock price goes up. So that was one of them. And then Zeta and Clevio are in the advertising businesses. And as I have said, you look back at any major technological change in our world, and the first element in which you see escalating stock prices is in the advertising business. The printing press, it printed books, but what it brought us was magazines and newspapers where ads appear that reach people who spend money. And so the people who have products and services to sell escalate their price. The same thing happened with radio. It had happened with TV, and it happened with the internet. And now it's going to happen with AI. And so Zeta and Clevio, go again to my website and listen to the podcasts, the deep dives on Zeta and Clevio. REAX, Real Brokers, is a merging of a franchise, a REMAX type of real estate with a business, not sole proprietor, but a business model, and they're bringing AI into it. And I've been in real estate. There's parts of it. You have a realtor, that's an element. Well, Real Brokers brings in lenders and title company, so they bring everything in under one roof, and they have just tripled their exposure by buying REMAX, who is a franchise organization, and bringing that AI into real estate, and it will make an enormous change because it will create efficiencies in a large financial movement business, and it'll bring the profits, and you'll see REAX, I believe, explode in price as this AI finds its way into the efficiencies of that business. So I guess I go back to the thumbnail. Picking stocks has become very easy. All you have to do, don't worry about who's processing all the data. That's Amazon, Google, Microsoft, but the people and Meta. But the people who are going to ring the cash register as a result of it, who will reach to us, the consumer, who drives 80% of the economy, are going to be the big winners. And so understand, it's AI. It's the biggest thing that's happened in your lifetime. And it isn't going to be the brick and mortar companies. It isn't going to be the banks who are supporting glass buildings downtown and executives that fly around in Lear jets. It's going to be the bank who knows who you are through AI and gives you the kind of service that you've never had before. The same goes for the advertising wheel and real estate. Come the best of us investors. Check out our website and learn how AI is going to change your life and give you the potential to become wealthy. This is something that I just want to drive home. They don't teach us in school how to invest. They don't put, even in college, in math, they don't teach you how to do that. You only learn that on Wall Street or best of us investors. I hope you see the light.